What up, all you BAMFs? Welcome back to the squad. As it's a new year, new adventures. What type of adventures you going on this year? What type of adventures you want to see on the channel? Let me know. But on this one, we're getting prepared for Euro Tripper and all the Volkswagen shows. We're currently doing air ride install. If you want to see the installation video on this, Matt's here, Wobblenuts' channel. I'll put a link below. He's going to have the install video on this. So I'm just giving you an update on what's going on the channel. Haven't been able to get out. The vehicles are down. That one's not running, period. No, I need to do fuel injectors and all that other stuff. We're getting this ready for the show. So if you guys are going to be out at any of the shows, come say hey. And I'll show you what it looks like in a little bit when it's done. Okay, so we're calling it for the night. We ran into a little bit of issues. So on the rear bags, let me show you. So on the rear ones, they didn't come with the fitting. So I got these not from Airlift. These came from overseas, so didn't come with the fitting. So we had to order the fittings, and so we're on standby. But we got the fronts in. Let me show you. Let me show you what the fronts look like. We got the fronts in. Like power fuse, everything to there. Sneak peek of the colored wheels. And we're here at day 4. So we had to wait for a bunch of car parts to come in from the shop. So Matt came to finish up doing the rear with some grinding and to make sure that nothing punctures the rear. We're currently doing the calibration right now, but thank you for sticking around. If you like this type of content, let me know below. What kind of cars, projects you working on? What kind of adventures are you getting ready to go on? So we're going to be doing some more car shows, but we're going to be diving, we're going to be hunting, we're going to be doing all kinds of stuff. Thanks for Matt for coming to help out. Yeah, he's the man. Go check out his channel. I'll show you. I'll put a link down below anyways, so you can see the install of the air ride. So I'll see you guys at the show. Good morning, everybody. Well, we're on 95, headed to the show. Air ride got done last night. I cleaned everything as much as I could. This needs professional help. But anyways, air ride's on. We're on the way to the show. I'll see you when you get there. Choo. Belgium, and I didn't win shit. Alright, guys. Ooh, so I made it back safe and sound. What a long drive. Nah, it wasn't long. It was 2.5 hours, but we made it back safe. The car rode like a champ. Nothing broke. Didn't even have to call out AAA. What an awesome time. It was cool seeing a bunch of awesome cars, meeting some new people, seeing some old friends. If you guys were out there, I hope you had an awesome time. If you guys enjoy this type of stuff, let me know below so we can continue to go and do this type of adventures. If you don't like it, too bad. I love Volkswagen, so I'm gonna be going to do Volkswagen stuff. So I'm just playing, but we're gonna be doing a lot more outdoor activities. My plan for this year is to get out the house as much as possible as I can, due to injury and PTSD and all this other stuff. So you guys are what's keeping me ticking. So I got to get out and produce some content so it keeps my mind focused on this instead of the PTSD route. So just being a little honest right now. And none of you guys make it to the end of this video anyways. If you do, comment, fuck PTSD, because it sucks. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Shoot!